Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. Calling my bitch, calling my fat guys can't go. They was aiming high, had to get low.
Welcome back to another Kobe TV video. It's your favorite host, Kobe Cash. Look, excuse the bonnet, okay? But today's video is me unboxing the brand new PS5. You feel me? Like, we waiting so long, yo. Like, so long. Like, excuse my bonnet for real, like, so long. Like, it's finally here, but let's get into that right now. Yes, sir. This is what it looked like, you know. Came in a box, an extra box. I'm pretty glad StockX did a very amazing job at, you know, making sure it's very safe, very protected. And I still can't believe I actually got it. Like, I'm still shocked. It's going through my head right now. Like, I'm still having a hard time, so y'all stay with me. Like, if y'all know what I went through. Well, let's unbox it. Let me show y'all what it looked like on the inside. Let's go. So, I'm gonna check it out here. Yes, sir. Got the StockX verification thing right there. So far, look good. You know, take it out the box. Put it right there. Yeah, look great. Good. So, I have it right here in my hands. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, kind of excited. Still excited. So, let's get and see what's inside. Okay, so let's go. Take out the price tag. Top, gotta take out the price tag at the top. Ooh. Smell great. Smell great. I'm about to show y'all so y'all can see. So, it's a box on the inside. You gotta take it out. Like a box. Ooh, fancy. That's fancy. Very fancy. Very fancy. Okay, so I guess you open it from right here. Okay. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Right there. Oh wow. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna peek y'all up and show y'all what it look like in a better angle. Okay, so we're at the top now. So inside. Ooh. So we're at the remote right here. Honestly, the remote right there. HDMI cord. Sure. Need that. And got like some manuals. Things like manual guidelines on how to use it and stuff. So we'll leave that right there. Okay. Box right here. Like the charger. Yeah, charger right there too. So, ooh. I don't know what this is, but I think this is what the system is supposed to stay on. What you get to. So, get the HDMI cord and adapter cord. Back. Okay, so let's take this out the box. So all the stuff came in. Now, PS5 itself. Ooh, ooh. I gotta come right there and show y'all. I gotta come right there and show y'all. This. It's insane. It's insane. It's insane. It's insane. Like, dude, this is crazy. Wait, y'all gotta see me. Y'all gotta see my face on this. Like, dude. This is insane. Like, literally. Okay. So, it's heavy too. Got the weight of it. It's kind of heavy. Ooh. They did good. They really did good. This is heavy. Dude, this is heavy. This is heavy. Yeah. Okay. Smell good. Like, yo, it's my muscles. This, you can roll out. Sorry, let me stop playing. But this is heavy. I'm telling you right now, it's way heavier than the PS4. I think one thing that Sony did good on this is, wow, put everything in the back. Because on the PS4, everything was literally on the front. But with this, I don't know if y'all can see it, but everything is in the back. So it's like, you know, and wow, insane. Insane. It's insane. Still insane. But yeah, this is really dope. I'm gonna set it up and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like after I finish setting it up. Stay tuned. Be back. Okay, so as far as the remote, it is, I mean, I don't know how to describe it. It's very smooth, like, it's kind of, you know, it's up here. It's, you know, smooth too. And the button are kind of very dope. So it's like, the controller is very, very great. It's good. Yeah, as far as the controller, it's good. It's good, for sure. And the PS5 up. One thing I did notice is, as you can see on the PS4, right? It has a weird cable charger like this that can function with this type of charger. But on the PS5, it's different. So if you pay attention, if you take that off, the charger is kind of different. It looks nothing like the PS4 charger. You can't even charge the PS4. So I kind of think this is nice because the PS4 charger cannot charge the PS5. So that's a new adaptation that we have to get used to, which is dope. I like it. Yes, sir. That's what it looks like when you turn it on. Ooh, wee. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yes, sir. Ooh, fancy. Let's go. Yeah.